Hello, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can navigate easier in Blender. So by default, when you rotate around an object, it looks like this. And not much is happening right now, but if we move this to the side like this and still rotate, it rotates around this point in the middle. So what can we do to make it rotate around our object? Well, we go into Edit, Preferences, then Orbit around Section. Select that. And now when we rotate around this object. But when we want to zoom in, it's still not zooming in on this object. So we go back to Preferences and Navigation, zoom in to mouse position. Now when we have our mouse here and zoom in, it zooms in on the mouse position as it says. And then if we go into edit mode and select a vertex like this and we rotate, it will also rotate around this vertex. We can select an edge too, and it will rotate around this edge. One setting that I also want to add is this depth. And this depth, it will just improve the pan, rotate, and zoom functionality. So with the default settings, it looks like this. When we rotate, we can move the object like this and still rotate in the middle. If we try to zoom in, it zooms in on the middle. We go into edit mode and try to move around this vertex. It's not working. If we want to zoom in, it's not working either. So with these settings, it's much easier to move around. And I'm surprised this is not a default setting.